Hello and welcome to GFXPilot, your go-to channel for learning everything you need to know about graphic design. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced designer searching for advanced techniques, we have got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to create stunning designs that will stand out in the digital world. We'll be covering a range of topics, including the principles of designs, color theory, typography, layout, and much more. And with our easy-to-follow tutorials and step-by-step guides, you will be able to develop your skills quickly and easily. So whether you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to improve their design skills, we are here to help you take your creativity to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to GFXPilot, and let's get started on this exciting journey of graphic design.